welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the property, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is some nearby attractions and landmarks also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find the guest category second. Room category third. Room category fourth. Room category fifth. Category 6. Room category 7. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 7 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The resort accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the check-out time is 10 a.m. Guests are required to show ID and check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, you can help us by commenting. We will help you. For more details, follow the description link. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.